Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate you how to make an electromagnet at home. So what magnets are? Magnets are the objects that can attract or repel some materials like iron, nickel, cobalt or other magnets. Magnet has one north and one south pole. There are two types of magnet, that is permanent magnet and temporary magnet. Permanent magnet are those magnets which always have magnetic properties. On the other hand, temporary magnets which can be switched on and off as our requirement. Electromagnetic is also a temporary magnet. What things we are going to require for this demonstration? These are the basic things we are going to require. The first one is the battery holder and electric wires for the connection. Any battery is fine, but we are taking here AA batteries. One long iron nail or any small iron rod, some insulated copper wire, one magnetic compass, some magnetic materials or any iron materials like paper clip or coin is fine. So for making this nail an electromagnet, we need an copper wire. We are going to wrap this copper wire around this nail. You need to be careful, just leave a 5 centimeter of this copper wire at this end, which unwrapped, and then start wrapping this copper wire around this nail. So wrap as tightly as you can and as dense as you can. So as dense as you can wrap it will make the magnetic field better. After wrapping it completely, you leave the other end also 5 centimeter to connect it with battery. So this is how our nail looking after wrapping the coil around. See how dense we wrap this coil. So before connecting it with batteries, we need to remove the insulation from both of the ends. We are going to use this sharp knife for this purpose. So be careful guys while using the sharp knife. Do it under the supervision of any adult. We gently rub the both ends to remove the isolation. This copper wire is insulated, but the insulation coating is so thin, while we were scratching it from knife, we cannot even see the coating coming out. Now we are ready to connect it with battery. So we can connect any of this end with any of the terminal of the battery. So red terminal is the positive terminal and the black terminal is negative terminal. In this circuit, current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal from this coil, and because of this current, magnetic fields generates in this copper wire. Now we have connected our coil with the batteries. So now we are going to check if our coil became an electromagnet or not. So for this purpose I am going to use this magnetic compass. So we can see the needle of this compass is painted red, and this red point is north and this other point is south. So we bring this compass near this coil and we can see the needle of this compass is dancing when we are moving around this coil. So it confirms that our coil became the electromagnet now. Now we are going to check which end of this electromagnet is north and which point is south. For this we are going to check which end of this electromagnet repels the red point. So we take this red point near this end, which is connected with red wire, and as we can see this red point attract by this end, and here at this end this red point is repelled by this end, which is connected with the black wire. So we can say this end is north and this end is south. We write down here. And now it's time to have some fun with this electromagnet which we made at home. So we take some paper clips like before, and some oil pins, some coin and washer. So it is not advised to touch this electromagnet with hand. It may be hot, or it's generally not advised to pick any current carrying coils or wires. So please careful about it. And now we try to lift these things from the ground, and we can see we easily able to see. See how our coin is dancing in the toss. You can also make your own electromagnet at home. Please be careful while using all these sharp knives and other things and batteries and coils, and have fun. Enjoy science. Thank you.